Hey guys, welcome to G Reviews. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this 2020 Rocky Ridge Raptor, and this is the K2 edition. Let's do it. This video has been made possible by Empire Ford of New Bedford. They've got over 250 new vehicles on the lot and a ton of awesome Rocky Ridge Special Edition truck. I'll put all of their contact information in the description as well as their website. Go check them out. All right guys, let's take a look at this awesome 2020 Raptor. And this is the Rocky Ridge Special Edition K2 package. So starting up front, you got the standard Raptor headlights. And again, these actually, these are LEDs completely throughout. We do have a special Rocky Ridge all painted bumper here. This is the standard Raptor bumper, but it's painted on the Rocky Ridge. Your tow hooks down there. This guy does have a very nice skid plate, and you can really see this suspension is so we have these internal bypass live valve shocks, which is absolutely beautiful. Super beefy A-arms. There's your all-wheel drive system, again, your skid plates, all that good stuff. We do have the suspension lift here, 4.5-inch suspension lift on this K2 Rocky Ridge. These tires are going to be BF Goodrich all-terrains, and these are the Baja Champion ones. These are 37-inch tall tires, and they are they are on 20-inch rims. These also have the awesome Rocky Ridge red brake calipers, and these are beautiful rims. So moving down the side, we have the Rocky Ridge K2 package there. On this guy, we do have also the Amp Research electronic running boards on both sides. Very nice. Along the back, again, got these awesome live valve shocks, dual exhaust system. So that is a true dual exhaust system there. We have tow hooks in the back. We have our 4- and 6-pin towing there. Got our extra marker lights on the Raptor. We have this beautiful applique here, the Ford Raptor. Again, we got the Rocky Ridge. So first things first, listen to that, guys. Woo! I mean, I don't know, that thing sounds pretty good to me. I mean, it is a V6, but it's the high output V6. I think it's pretty sweet. And then we also have got the remote tailgate, soft open, obviously, of our awesome bed liner here. Got the not standard, we have the Ford step. I'm sure you've all seen that before. Nice lightweight tailgate. All right, go ahead and shut her down. All right, again, that's pretty much it for the outside of the truck, guys. Let's go ahead and look at the sticker here. So all in with the Rocky Ridge and everything, you're at 90 grand. It is a lot for a truck, but we do have the moonroof panel or moonroof package. The Raptor series is 802A package. So we've got the power rear sliding window, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, 410 axle ratio, box lighting, LED side mirror, spotlights, remote system, Bang & Olufsen. Pretty much everything you could ask for on that. And then the K2 package is an extra 18 grand, 4.5-inch suspension lift, 20-inch tires, upgraded exhaust system, leather logo headrest. And this one does not have special paint. This is just a really nice white paint color from Ford itself. All right, so let's go ahead and hop inside and we'll show you what that's all about. Before we hop inside, let's go over some of the technical specs of the Ford Raptor. The gas tank is a 26-gallon standard tank. EPA mileage estimates are 15 in the city, 18 on the highway. The engine is a 3.5-liter twin turbocharged V6. It outputs 450 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 510 pound-feet of torque at 3,500 RPM. The payload's 1,000 pounds and max tow is 6,000 pounds. Let's hop inside, guys. So as you see, you saw before, the Amp Research steps come automatically down. So on the Raptor, you're gonna have black accents everywhere, so kind of like a black on a carbon fiber look to them. So we have soft touch materials here and on the door panel. All of the nice storage here in the door. We have our lumbar support here. Our Ford Performance applique there is underneath that sticker again for the eventual owner to rip off. We've got a Rocky Ridge stamped into the headrest, and then our Raptor stamped in there. The Raptor has some awesome bolstering, huge bolsters on both sides to keep you in when you're Baja-ing. All right, let's hop inside. The starter button. And you immediately hear the 3.5 liter high output. All right, so starting in the truck here, we have this awesome leather wrap steering wheel. Super chunky, just a super chunky steering wheel. We've got Raptor here. We have our red stripe to denote straight in front of us. We have all the awesome folding mirrors. We have our side view mirror spotlights, power adjustable pedals. All of our lights are right there. On this one, as well as a lot of the upper trim level Fords, you have this really nice big infotainment screen to give you pretty much everything you could possibly want. All of your instruments, your gauges, oil temp, transmission temperature, tire pressure, your digital speedometer, trip and fuel economy, navigation, compass, auto start stop system. And then also on the first tab you have, it's configurable, so you can kind of add whatever you want to there. We also have our Raptor status, so you've got where the wheels are pointed, our suspension. We can go ahead in there and modify the different modes. So here are our terrain modes. So we've got deep snow, sand. So that automatically turns on our four-wheel drive. Baja mode, rock crawl mode, slippery, tow haul mode, sport mode. Now we're back in two-wheel drive. And then also we have our different steering feel. So comfort, normal, and sport. Pretty sweet. We have adaptive cruise control in this guy as well. You can see that right here. On the Raptor, we do have big ol' nice paddle shifters. Really awesome. I've got my air conditioned seats on here. We have all of our controls up here as well. Moving into the center stack here, we have two-wheel drive high. We've got 4 auto, 4 high, and 4 low. So the 4 auto is only in Raptor vehicles. We also have our locking rear differential, our trailer backup assist, and then we also have our trailer brake controller down here. In this particular truck, we've got our 360-degree camera, and there are cameras, like I said, in the grille, and both the side view mirrors and as well as the back, so you don't hit anything. We have our trail cruise control, so if we're going real slow through stuff, you can do your auto start stop system, turn that on and off. We have our Sync 3 system. You got our phone, navigation, climate. You get different apps. Very responsive, really awesome. This does have the premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. We have our dual climate control here. We have our heated and ventilated seats. And then right here we have a storage cubby with a couple USBs. Moving back from there, we have our 2 cup holders. We have our really big meaty shifter with our shifter on the side here as well, if you want to do it there. I don't know why you would when you have paddles. Right here in the center, we have all of our auxiliary switches. So we've got 6 of those. So if you have winches, if you have lights, whatever you have, you can do that there. We have our panoramic moonroof in here. Really nice. Gives it an absolutely huge feel in here. Again, as I mentioned, the Rocky Ridge headrests, really nice. We have our single glove box, and the F-150s have the single. The F-250s have the dual. This is lockable. The center console, you've seen it before. It's massive. Really, really big. All right, so that's pretty much that. The seats are so comfortable. This thing has awesome lumbar support. It's really, really awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and hop in the back seat and show you that real quick. All right, so hopping on into the back seat again, the amp research steps do come down. Soft touch materials in the door. We do have the special seats for a Raptor. It has this little pattern here that you can see. Very nice, leather wrapped. Just a cavernous amount of space back here in the back of these guys. And this one actually has heated seats in the back as well. We have all of our standard stuff, USBs, household outlet, as well as AC vents, which is really nice. Some truck companies still do not put that back here. And honestly, I like that there's nothing here. It's just unobstructed space from the ceiling to the floor, and it is a flat load floor. Can't ask for more than that in terms of having storage space. So that's the back seat, just tons of space back there. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys, for the K2 Special Edition Rocky Ridge. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to Empire Ford of New Bedford. If you have any questions on the video for me, you can reach out to me, leave the comments in the section below. Please give this video a big like if you like the content. If you don't like it, you suck. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, this has been Sky Ridge Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.